How to make Instagram account private from business. So the very first thing we're going to do is to make sure that your professional account is turned into a personal one. Because unfortunately, for business account or professional account, it can't be private no matter what. No, so all we have to do is to tap on our profile icon right here, tap on the professional dashboard right here, and go to settings. Now once we're here, we just have to scroll down and tap on creator, and scroll down again to tap on switch account type. Once we're here, we just have to switch from creator account to personal account. So tap on that. And once we switch from professional account to personal account, all we have to do to switch our public account to private account is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and then scroll down and tap on account privacy. Now you just have to toggle this on and switch to private so that only your followers will be able to see the contents that you have, your follower list and following list right here. And now you are a private account. So that's how to make Instagram account private from business.